Exclusive yacht charters sailing the seas in style. Set sail on an extraordinary journey of luxury and adventure as you indulge in the world of exclusive yacht charters. Leave the shores behind and embrace the freedom of the open seas, where every moment is filled with elegance, opulence, and unrivaled style. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, and let's dive in. Whether you're seeking a glamorous getaway with friends, a romantic escape with your loved one, or a memorable celebration with family, a yacht charter promises an experience like no other. From pristine coastlines to hidden coves, explore the world's most breathtaking destinations while basking in the ultimate expression of sophistication and refinement. Get ready to sail the seas in style and create memories that will last a lifetime. Abu Dhabi Marine Sports Club. Whether you're into dhow sailing or kite surfing, this place is a paradise for all thrill seekers and adventure lovers. Feel the rush as you conquer the waves and make unforgettable memories that will have you grinning from ear to ear. But it's not just about the adrenaline-pumping activities here. The Abu Dhabi Marine Sports Club is also a top-notch exclusive yacht club that will leave you in awe. Nestled in a prime location at the heart of the Gulf and the Middle East, this hidden gem offers breathtaking views of the breakwater beach. Picture yourself basking in the glorious sunshine, with the cool breeze caressing your face and the sound of the waves serenading your senses. It's a view that dreams are made of. Step into a world where water sports enthusiasts come together to celebrate their passion. The Abu Dhabi Marine Sports Club is a hub of excitement and camaraderie, where you can connect with fellow adventurers and share stories of your epic water escapades. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, this club welcomes everyone with open arms. So, pack your swimsuit, grab your gear, and get ready for an unforgettable experience at the Abu Dhabi Marine Sports Club. It's time to make a splash and create memories that will last a lifetime. Dive in and let the adventure begin. American Yacht Club. Embark on a voyage to the legendary American Yacht Club, a historical gem that will make your heart sail with joy. This place is the creme de la creme of clubs, a treasure trove of experiences that will leave you longing for more. Let's start with the 4th of July parties, where the fireworks light up the sky and the celebration is off the charts. It's a legendary bash that will make you feel like you're in a blockbuster movie. And let's not forget about the mouth-watering cuisines that await you. From savory delights to sweet treats, your taste buds are in for a treat that will make you say, "Ahoy, delicious." But the real showstopper is the breathtaking vista of Long Island Sound that will leave you in awe. Picture yourself gazing out at the shimmering waters, feeling the gentle breeze caress your face, and soaking in the beauty of nature. It's a view that will make your heart skip a beat and remind you why life is so grand. And the fun doesn't stop there. The American Yacht Club offers exceptional swimming, tennis, and paddle programs that will keep you active and entertained. Dive into the pool, swing that racket, or paddle like a pro, the choice is yours. There's never a dull moment at this vibrant club. With all these amazing perks, it's no wonder the American Yacht Club is in high demand. With a limited capacity of 270 dues-paying members, you may have to bide your time on the waitlist. But trust us, it's worth the wait. Barbados Yacht Club. This hidden gem, just a stone's throw away from Bridgetown, is a dream come true for sailing enthusiasts. Feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the thrill of the open waters as you embark on unforgettable adventures. But that's not all. The Barbados Yacht Club is more than just a sailing haven. It's a hub of excitement and relaxation. After a day of conquering the waves, kick back and unwind at their fabulous bar and restaurant. Savor delicious dishes that will tickle your taste buds and quench your thirst with refreshing drinks. Looking for more ways to have a blast? The club has got you covered. Dive into their boat shed filled with nautical wonders, perfect for exploring the sea like a true adventurer. And if you're in the mood for some friendly competition, grab a racket and show off your skills on the tennis courts. Now, here's the catch: joining this exclusive club is no walk in the park. You'll need to go through a thrilling balloting procedure on the last Friday of every month. It's like waiting for the captain's signal to embark on a grand voyage. Cruising Yacht Club of Australia. Located in the jaw-dropping Rushcutters Bay, this club is the ultimate playground for water-loving enthusiasts like yourself. With top-notch facilities and a global reputation, it's time to join the party. Established in 1944, this club is a sailing sensation, attracting yachts and crews from every corner of the world. But here's the real gem, the famous Rolex Sydney Hobart Yacht Race, the grand finale of the sailing calendar. It's an adrenaline-pumping, heart-racing event that puts Australia on the map as a sporting powerhouse. You won't want to miss it. Now, let's talk about joining this prestigious pack. With an initiation fee of $500 Australian dollars, approximate RM1,500, and annual fees of $849 Australian dollars, approximate RM2,500, you'll gain access to a world of excitement. But wait, there's more. To be part of this epic crew, referrals are the name of the game. Show off your social skills and charm those connections to get your foot in the door. Or, if you prefer an easy-breezy approach, consider that Adopt a New Member initiative. One of the club's friendly member engagement representatives will personally reach out to you. How cool is that? So, don your captain's hat, grab your sailing gear, and get ready to make waves at the Cruising Yacht Club of Australia. Dubai Marina Yacht Club. Prepare to be dazzled by the shimmering gold anchors of the Dubai Marina Yacht Club. This exclusive club is the epitome of top-tier excellence, earning a flawless 5-star rating in the world of yacht clubs. Located in the vibrant heart of New Dubai, it's a haven for both seasoned sailors and urban adventurers alike. Get ready for a weekend getaway like no other. Step into a world of opulence as you enter the clubhouse and find yourself surrounded by unparalleled facilities. It's not just a yacht club, it's a complete paradise. And guess what? There's even a mall. That's right, you can shop till you drop and then set sail into the sunset. It's the perfect blend of luxury and leisure, all in one spectacular spot. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a landlubber looking for a unique experience, Dubai Marina Yacht Club has it all. You'll be treated like royalty as you bask in the lavish services and soak up the breathtaking views. And hey, it's not just for the grown-ups. Bring the whole family along for a weekend they'll never forget. It's a playground for young and old alike. So, prepare to sail into a world of extravagance at the Dubai Marina Yacht Club. Get ready for unforgettable adventures, unparalleled service, and a touch of gold anchor magic. Grand Bahama Yacht Club. Welcome to the Grand Bahama Yacht Club, the ultimate paradise for sea-loving souls in the Bahamas. Get ready to anchor yourself in pure bliss as we dive into the wonders of this top-notch port. It's time to set sail on a journey of relaxation and water-filled fun. Picture this: pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and a yacht club that's the envy of the Caribbean. At the Grand Bahama Yacht Club, you'll find yourself in a safe haven where worries melt away like ice cubes in a tropical cocktail. This place is all about winding down and indulging in a day filled with water recreation. Grab your swimsuit and get ready to dive into the Olympic-sized swimming pool. It's time to soak in the coastal summer vibes and make a splash. But wait, there's more. This club goes above and beyond to take care of its members. From top-notch security to even groceries, they've got you covered. So you can leave your worries at the dock and focus on creating unforgettable memories on the high seas. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a landlubber looking for a taste of the nautical life, the Grand Bahama Yacht Club is the place to be. So, my fellow sea enthusiasts, it's time to chart a course for the Grand Bahama Yacht Club. Get ready for endless adventures, sun-kissed days, and a sense of serenity like no other. It's time to dive into the beauty of the Bahamas and experience the magic of this incredible port. Anchors away, my friends. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.